আইনষ্টাইনে মানে চেপলিনক কৈছে ভিডিঅ' কৈছে It's a very, very interesting. When Einstein met Chaplin for the first time, they were the biggest friends. So Einstein told him, Mr. Chaplin, you're amazing. You say nothing. But people love you so much. They honor you so much. Then Mr. Chaplin said, Mr. Einstein, you're more amazing. Einstein said, why? He said, you say so many things. Nobody understands anything. But they still love you. That is called intellect.
That's called Jubin Garg.
কি কথা এইটো ভাবছো
ধেমালি কথা
এটাই কৈছে যে তই একোকে নকওঁ
কিন্তু চবেই ভাল পায়
ইমান ভাল পাই তোক কিন্তু চবেই